Okay, let me proceed, Mr. Chairman. Let me start with the visit of Colonel Garma and company doon po sa The Picol. So, paki-state nga ulit, Colonel Garma, ma'am, kung sino-sino yung mga kasama mo doon na kaklase no ni Jimmy Fortaleza.
Colonel Roland Villela and Colonel Hector Grijaldo, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
So, tatlo lang kayo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Former Major Jimmy Fortaleza, do you confirm that statement of Colonel Garma?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so tatlo. So, Grijaldo and Villela. Tama.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung Villela,
Mr.
yun
Chair.
yung former husband mo.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Or
Yung
Your Honor.
Grijaldo,
A classmate, Your
kaklase
Honor.
mo. Yung former husband mo, ex mo, is kaklase mo rin.
Yes, Your
Now,
Honor.
Saan ngayon naka-assign si Grijaldo? Colonel Grijaldo.
I think, Your Honor, PIDEG, Your Honor,
Pedegwer.
Kamkrame, based in Kamkrame.
Anybody from the Philippine National Police? General, do you confirm? Please.
Yes, Your Honor, sir.
So you to confirm.
Yes, sir.
And do you also confirm that during the ambush of former Brigadier General Barayoga, he was then the Chief of Police? Do you have records on that?
I do not have any information to that incident, sir. With
Okay.
regard to the ambush of...
Can you furnish this committee
Yes, Mr. Chair, sir.
the data when that ambush happened?
Yes, Mr. Chair, sir. We will do.
Okay. Since, Mr. Chairman, since Colonel Grijaldo is not around, maybe we can ask him on the next hearing. But before I proceed to my next question, Ma'am Garma, during the ambush of former General Barayoga, which is class 83, di ba? Class 83 siya.
I'm not sure, Your Honor.
Ayan ka na naman.
Hindi ko lang, maybe...
Ikaw, ma'am, please. Kasi simpleng-simpleng tanong. Because that time, do you confirm that he is the corporate secretary?
Yes, Your
of
Honor.
PCSO?
He is our board secretary.
So
yes.
you don't know? Namatay na yung corporate secretary mo? You don't even know that he is class 83? Simpleng-simpleng tanong lang po. That was in the news. Alam ko eh. Bakit nag-evade ka? Simple question. Again, I warn you. I might cite you in contempt. Oh, do you confirm na he's a class 83?
83 ba siya?
Classmate? Oh, okay, ito na lang.
A classmate of our chairman. So
Yeah,
whatever
classmate
is
of
the
your-
class of Sir Pinili, I cannot,
Classmate
I'm
of
not
your
sure,
Pinili,
but classmate
classmate
po
of
sila.
the former DILG secretary. Tama?
Yes, Your
Oh.
Honor.
Eto ako, pagbibigyan kita, ma'am, isasabi ko, diretso na ang pagsasagot.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi ang dami, pinapakinggan ko na kanina yung mga tanong. Ako nagtanong sa iyo kanina, pinakontempt na kita. Because usually your answer is maybe. Maybe yes, maybe not. Simple question. Mamaya, pupuntahan kita dyan. Okay, anyway. Now, so you confirm that tatlo kayo pumunta kay Jimmy Fortaleza because Jimmy Fortaleza is your classmate.
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Now, but of course, you deny that you talked to Jimmy Fortaleza in his affidavit na you talked to him and asked him about the operations. Pero you never tell him the time. Based on in my personal and the affidavit of Jimmy Fortaleza, you never told Jimmy Fortaleza na may papatayin. You only told him na may operations. And pag sinabi mo yung operations, pag sa police, marami yan. Pwedeng may mamatay, pwedeng bypass, pwede dahil Bucor facility yon, pwede ring galugad. Di ba? Di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tama. Okay. Now, akala ko maybe naman. Anyway, now, And also, Jimmy Portolosa, in his affidavit, narrated na tumawag ka sa kanya. But of course, you denied it. That's why we are forced to order the NTC to submit, no? All the post. Kasi kung prepaid, medyo mahirap. Unless otherwise, we still have your number sa prepaid. Can you tell us your number sa prepaid during the time?
I cannot recall anymore, Your
Okay,
Honor.
of course, you cannot recall. Diba? Pero ako, tandaan ko. Yung isang tinipuno ko, naiwan ko dun sa labas. Hindi ko na nabalikan, pero matandaan ko pa rin yung numero ko. Pati yung pati yung company, smart. Anyway, sige. Now, when the incident happened, that was August 11. Tama? Yung sa Napicol, August 11.
Yeah. Hindi ko na matandaan.
August 11 ba?
Yeah,
Hindi, ma'am. Anyway,
No, Your Honor.
tinitingnan mo lang yung... Kanino bang dokumentong tinitingnan mo? Affidavit of whom?
This was Leopoldo Tan, Your Honor.
Sorry?
Leopoldo Tan.
Oh, how did you...
It was published, Your Honor, in the website.
It was published, so you printed out.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. Now, it was August 13. August 13 po. Okay, August 13. Now, it is a publicly knowledge incident because 3 Chinese national allegedly to be drug lords was killed inside the Picol. Now, question. You visited Jimmy Portelesa, malapit lang po yung time nung pag-visit mo, no? Matter of weeks. Now, after that, did you call Jimmy Portelesa?
No, Your Honor.
Why?
Wala naman ako sasabihin sa kanya, Your Honor.
Sorry?
I have no purpose of calling him. Wala din ako number sa kanya. So, bakit ko siya tatawagan? Your
So you
Honor?
do... Okay, sige. I will rephrase my question. You don't visit Jimmy Portelesa after that incident?
So,
Wala.
wala na po, Your Honor.
Oh, you don't bother to ask Jimmy Portelesa what really happens inside the Picol? You're an intelligence officer. You're very close to the president. Nangyari yung patayan doon. Same is true with Colonel Grijaldo. Colonel Leonardo that time. That time because you are the CIDG. You didn't even bother to visit the Picol. You, especially you, Ma'am Garma. You're the classmate of Jimmy Portelesa. You visit Jimmy Portelesa before the incident. Now, it happens. Sabi mo, wala akong nalalaman sa pangyari, but you didn't even bother to ask Jimmy Portelesa what really happened.
Wala akong number sa kanya, Mr.
Hindi
Chair.
nga. Wala
How
kang
can
number.
I call? How can I ask?
Oh, but some of
Mr.
your classmates has a number of Jimmy Portelesa.
I don't know, Mr. Chair.
Oh, you don't know na naman. Pero ang sinasabi ko lang, you don't even bother to visit Jimmy Portelesa after the incident to check what really happens inside that colony.
No, no, Mr. Chair.
Oh, kaya nga eh. Ayun nga ang sinasabi ko eh. Na nagbisita kayo, may nangyari, after that, you didn't even bother. That time, President Duterte has already assumed office. We will go in that direction mamaya. Maybe Chairman Akop will discuss to you about it. Now, next. Eto, malapit-lapit na tayo, mamas. Please, sabihin mo lang po ang totoo. Okay, now. Sabi mo kanina, January 16, you start schooling, tama? Nag-schooling ka?
January 2016, yes, Your
Yeah,
Honor.
January 2016. So safe ka. Kasing nangyari, August, because, ano yun, OSEC?
Yes,
For
Your
full
Honor.
kernel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan ka na-promote as full kernel?
2018, Your Honor.
2018.
18? 16, yeah, 18, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka? Hindi
Yes, yes, Your Honor, 2018.
Sigurado ka?
Yes,
2018 of,
I think June, Your Honor.
parang,
June.
eto.
It's June
Ma'am.
of 2018, Your Honor.
Oh,
I
ma'am,
retired
kasi yung mga
1 year
ganyan,
after.
sa pulis, hindi ako pulis, pero as far as I know, pagdating doon sa colonel na posisyon hanggang general, hindi malilimutan ng general o colonel na na-promote siya this year and this month. Well, in fact, even the date. Because that is an important promotion for each and every career officers in the PNP. Kasi pasikip na kayo, di ba? Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. Kasi mangilan-ngilan lang na yung mga light colonel ay sasampa na mabilis. Just like you. You're one of those privileged na promote 2018 pa lang as full colonel. On your class, ilan ba kayong full colonel during the time? Hindi mo matanda na naman. Of course. Pwede ko bibigayan. PNP, please submit. Jen, si General, no. Yung sa DIDM po, pakisubmit po yung yung promotion of all class 97 from light colonel to full colonel po. Yung date and year.
Yes or no, Your Honor,
Please.
we will comply.
Please submit it before the next hearing.
Yes, Your
Maybe
Honor.
mabilis lang naman yan. Siguro within the week. No. Okay, I will give you until Monday. Tuesday na po. Tuesday. Tuesday.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay? Before the hearing. Now, Ma'am Garama, so after your schooling, you were assigned in Cebu. Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Prior to your assignment in Cebu, you were assigned in Davao.
Yes, Your
As
Honor.
what?
Station Commander, Your Honor.
Of
Station 1, Santa Ana Police Station.
Station 1.
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor.
With the rank of light colonel.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Sa posisyon na yun, di ba pwedeng major doon?
Pwede rin po ang Major, Your Honor.
Di ba? Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, yung position mo is only light colonel. You were assigned in Cebu. And as far as I know, no, but of course, I can be wrong, I might be wrong, pero pag highly urbanized city, not a component city, rank of full colonel dapat, di ba? In the case of Cebu City, dapat full colonel.
Yes,
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, you're just a light colonel the time.
No, Your Honor.
Pag-assign sa'yo?
Cebu City Police, Your Honor, I am full colonel.
Kailan
na po.
kayo na-sign doon?
June yun po. June or July.
June
Your Honor.
of-
Basta I am already, na-promote na po ako, Your
Na-promote ka
Honor.
na?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ba't OIC lang status mo doon?
It has to be confirmed by the Mayor, Your Honor.
Ayun. Because the mayor does not want you to be the chief of police because prior to that, you were also assigned in Cebu, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
As what?
CIDG,
CIDG?
Regional Chief of Region 7.
Correct. Kaya kilala ka ni Mayor Osmeña.
Yes, Your
Kaya
Honor.
ayaw niya, kasi kung kilala ka ni Mayor Osmeña because the regional center of Region 7 is Cebu. The regional office of CIDG is Cebu. Most of the activity of CIDG is in Cebu. And as the mayor that time of Cebu, kilala ka ni Mayor Osmeña. That is why ayaw niya sa'yo. Because on your record during the time, napakarami pong nangyari during the time. And we are now collating all those incident related to death nung time na yon as CIDG Region 7 at the same time Chief of Police of Cebu. Now, Chief of the CIDG ka the time.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung rank mo is Light Colonel.
Yes, Your Honor.
During the time, Regional Director can be a Light Colonel ng CIDG.
It can be, Your Honor.
It can be.
Yes, Your
Except
Honor.
for, sabi ko nga, highly urbanized city. Di ba? Just like Cebu City. Dapat full colonel.
Yes, Your
Tama.
Honor.
Now, anyway, let me proceed with Bago pumunta doon, balikan ko mamaya your travel records. I have with me your travel